Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn advanced conditional formatting. In my previous video I explained you about basic conditional formatting options which are listed here in this conditional formatting option until icon sets. In this video I will be explaining you about how to highlight entire row of a range of data using a single cell criteria. So let's look at this example which I have here, the entire data and a cell here with the title called gender. When I type here M, if you see here, all the rows in the data got highlighted because the gender name is getting matched with the gender name in the cell. Similarly, F for female citizens. So whatever the letter I am typing here, the relevant row is getting highlighted. This is one way of highlighting the rows. And the second way of highlighting the entire row using advanced conditional formatting, which is also called as a magical trick in Excel, is this. Delete. I created a drop down list here. If you don't know how to create a drop down list, please go through this video until the last and you will find a link to the drop down list creation. Go to that video and learn how to create drop down list creation in Excel. I have created a video on it. So I have created a drop down list here. Select a name so that entire row of eligible citizens will get highlighted. Similarly, not eligible, no selection. So in these two examples we highlighted the rows, and the third example we will see how to highlight a column. We have a name, we have age column. So the moment we select, entire column get highlighted. So these are the things which we will be learning in this video. Now let's go to the another sheet. We have a example data, sample data here to learn the same tricks. So just select the data first, select the entire data except the row, header row. Click on conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula, type is equals to, select the first cell of the gender column because the condition is related with the gender only, is equal to, select this cell. Now remove the dollar symbol before the row number and then click on format, choose a color to highlight, click on OK. Now let's check. Let's type M, let's type F, let's type nothing symbol, only the cell. If it is containing M, it highlights the entire row. If it is containing F, it highlights the entire row, because in these two cases only the condition is getting true. In remaining all cases the condition is getting false. That's the reason it is not giving any highlight. Now eligibility. I have a list created here. Now we will link the condition to this list in the same way. Select the data, conditional formatting, new rule. So here I have to select the data properly, new rule, use formula, is equals to, select the eligibility cell, is equals to the content cell, remove the dollar symbol before the row, choose a color, Okay. Okay. Now select the option in the list so that you can see the rows get highlighted. Select no selection to remove the selection. Similarly, to create a list based on the column names, column names, select the entire data. In this case, I have to select everything, including the header, column headers. Conditional formatting, new rule, use formula is equals to, select the cell is equals to the cell which is containing the list. Here remove the dollar symbol before the column name, not the before row. Okay. Okay. Now if you select anything from the list, entire column will get selected. So this is what the magical trick in Excel with the name called conditional formatting. Whatever the conditions we have applied here, we have created here, we all those conditions can be listed here in the manage rules. We can go to that manage rules and check the conditions whatever we have applied. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and like all my videos, do suggest on any video or in this video also. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment so that I can clarify you. Hope whoever is watching this video is feeling better. Thanks for watching.